Scene, hook 0 o'clock to 0:45 visual. Fast-paced montage of AI tools like Sora, ChatGPT, and humanoid robots. Bold text on screen. The end of work, voiceover. Most people think the AI revolution is coming in 10 years. They're wrong. It's already here, and it's quieter than you think. While you were sleeping, algorithms started writing code better than junior devs, creating art that rivals masters, and managing logistics faster than any human CEO. But this isn't just another tech update. This is a fundamental shift in how humans survive. Today, we're looking at why 90% of traditional roles could vanish by 2026. And more importantly, what you need to do right now to ensure you aren't one of them. Scene. The reality check. 0:45 to 2:30 visual. Statistics showing job cuts in tech creative sectors. Transition to a human versus AI comparison table. Voiceover. Let's be honest. If your job involves sitting at a desk, looking at a screen, and processing information, you are in the danger zone. Data entry. Gone. Basic copywriting, automated. Video editing. AI can now do in seconds what used to take us days. We are moving from the information age to the intelligence age. In the information age, you were paid for what you knew. In the intelligence age, you are only paid for what you can execute using AI. Scene. The human. Advantage to 30 to 4:30 visual. Warm colors. Footage of people collaborating. Public speaking. And hands-on craftsmanship. Voiceover. So, is hope lost? Not yet. There is a human premium that AI cannot replicate. There are 3 specific pillars of work that are currently unautomatable. Pillar 1. Deep empathy and ethics. AI can simulate a conversation, but it can't feel the weight of a moral decision. High-stakes negotiation and therapy are safe. Pillar 2. Complex physical dexterity. It's much harder to build a robot that can fix a broken pipe in a unique old building than it is to write a 500-page book with AI. Pillar 3. True innovation. AI works on past data. It predicts the next word based on what has already been said. To create something truly new, something that doesn't exist in a database, requires a human spark. Scene. The survival strategy. Las 4:30. Las 8. Visual step-by-step checklist appearing on screen. Voiceover. To survive the next 24 months, you need to stop competing against AI and start acting as its director. Instead of being a writer, become an AI editor. Instead of being a coder, become a systems architect. The winners of 2026 won't be the smartest people. They will be the most augmented people. If you aren't using at least 3 AI tools in your daily workflow right now, you're already falling behind. Scene, conclusion, and outro. 6 o'clock end. Visual, close-up shot, or symbolic visual of a sunrise over a digital city. Voiceover. The world isn't ending, but the world as we knew it is. You can either be a victim of this displacement or the person who manages it. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. What's the one skill you think AI will never be able to replace? Let me know in the comments, and let's start a conversation that actually matters. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. See you in the future.